Welcome to prepositions. Prepositions are usually very small words, but they make a big difference to the sentence meaning and help you to construct it properly. In this lesson, we will learn the prepositions on, in, under, and near in Russian. На, рядом, в, под. In Russian, the noun after the preposition will change its form according to the case. For example, in the phrase "the pen is on the table," ручка на столе, the noun table, стол, changes into prepositional case, на столе. In this lesson, we have learned prepositions in Russian. На, в, рядом, под. Welcome to prepositions. Prepositions are usually very small words in Russian, but they make a big difference to the sentence meaning and help you to construct it properly. In this lesson, we will learn the prepositions in front of, behind, opposite, and between in Russian. Перед, позади, за, между, напротив, впереди, напротив, and позади require genitive case after them. Стол позади стула. The table is behind the chair. Между requires instrumental case and is usually followed by two nouns. Катя между стулом и столом. Катя is between the chair and the table. In this lesson, we have learned prepositions in Russian. Перед, позади, за, напротив, между.